Do you guys know of McLovin the cat? Do you guys know of McLovin the cat? He's my favorite cat. He's one of my favorite cats. And there's a very old YouTube video of him in a very shitty looking bathtub, and he's going like this. His mouth is half submerged in the water. His mouth is half submerged in the water, and he's trying to call for help. It sounds like this. McLovin! Am I really a cat? No, I'm not a cat. Because I'm loving this bath. This is immensely relaxing. Okay? Immensely relaxing. I'm not cute. I'm fucking horrifying. Hey, the bath's almost empty. How the fuck am I gonna get to my goddamn... How the fuck am I gonna get to my goddamn towel? Hang on. Oh no. You didn't hear that. I definitely didn't just fart in the tub. That was embarrassing. Oh well. Everyone poops, guys. It's fine. Yeah. Okay, what am I gonna do about this? Right. What I could. No, that's too risky. You know what? All we hear is Radio Gaga, Radio Weepy, Radio Poo Poo. You guys can tell that I definitely am a professional.